how you will remove door handle on Cadillac ATS. What are you gonna do? Open that door. You would remove this plastic cover, and then you need, come on, focus. T25, and then you would open this until this one is coming loose. This one, pull a little bit the handle and remove like this, and then you would pull this forward just like this, and be careful, there is a wire. What the heck? What I believe you have to open the door cover to remove the wire. I will check. If not, like this, I'm okay. I'm just trying to polish here like this. I have a space to polish without any problem. If you're gonna wrap, you have to remove the wire. I will figure it out if I can remove it, and I will be back. So I do need to remove the wire. I'm just only gonna polish here without touching anything. See if you can see, there's some scratches here. I would polish it and put everything together. I do need to remove the wire. You have to open the cover, everything, to remove the wire. I'm not sure. I was having Chrysler 300. You could remove the wire from here. I don't know why they don't make any connection here. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hey, here you get it. I don't know if you open here you find something.